The Cody Willard Show.
All right, Cody. This is a long one. Stay with me here. Cody, I got your reasons for buying GLD, but sort of puzzled on the risk-reward. If you pull up the 5-year chart on GLD, there's only 20% difference between its peak, low, and high. 1-year chart shows only a 10% difference. Even if gold starts taking off, do you think it has enough upside, or are you trading for 5 to 10% gain? Also, what's interesting while checking it is that 1-year chart shows gold down by 10% from its peak, whereas JNUG down 50% from its peak. Miners seem
Chris,
to swing a lot.
let me cut you off. The gist of the question is gold versus gold miners. And I just this week, have taken an interest. I've owned gold. I bought gold coins in years past when gold's been around 1,200 or lower. And it got down to $1,200 again this week. And yes, I'm actually buying some gold and even a gold ETF that I normally wouldn't, but I'm buying it for a trade. And that question is, if you only think you're going to get 5 or 10%, what's the real point when I'm over here investing in stocks that go up 300, 700, or 1,000%? Number one, there's a time and place for everything. And I'm struggling to find cheap, revolutionary opportunities that I want to invest for the next 5 or 10 years in a fresh. I do think gold has been absolutely trashed, both near term. The charts look horrible. The chartists hate it. The economists hate it. The Wall Street hates it. That's about the time I want to start buying it. I want to buy when Wall Street hates something. I want to sell when it loves something. So yeah, I'm selling some NVIDIA. I'll sell some of my stocks that are up 1,000%. I'll trim some Apple and maybe buy a little bit of gold here while it's hated. In my lifetime, I expect gold is going to go up 500 to 1,000%, if only because of the fiat currencies of the world. While the US dollar will always be the strongest fiat currency relative to the other fiat currencies in the world, gold will over time rise in price, and probably at some point we will have another financial crisis and or stock market meltdown, et cetera, and gold might be reset. The price of gold versus dollars. I mean, it's not like they'll go, oh, we declare that dollar is worth 1/10 what it was versus gold yesterday or something. But over time, I do think gold has lots of upside in my lifetime, not necessarily this month, not necessarily this year that it could go up 500%, but even in the near term, I think gold could be up 20, 30% this year. Chris, in the next year, I should say, not by the end of this year.
To view the whole episode, just Google The Cody Willard Show, episode number 6. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the Facebook page, and subscribe to the podcast. For more, go to tradingwithcody.com.